Welcome back. Today we are going to solve one more Java 8 coding interview question. This question was asked in Mindtree for freshers. This question is quite simple. The only challenge is that you need to do this question in Java 8. Here's the question. You can pause the video and read the question. We have a input and we have an output. If you could see that we have a list of a string, whereas we need to get the first letter of our string. All the first letters of my input stream are highlighted, and the way we need to create our new list is in our output. Quite simple, right? Now we'll jump into solution. If you see that we can do this question in two ways. In both the ways, we are using stream API on our list of string object. In first solution, we are passing map and using lambda expression. We are using a string method called character add. This character add is reading the value from index 0, and then we are collecting that index 0 element into a new list. Now if you see in solution 2, we are using map 2 times, whereas instead of using character add, we are using substring, where substring is telling us the starting and the ending position to read an element in a string, whereas after that we are again calling map because the character is a character, not a string. A single character is a character, not a string. That's why we are using map method reference and then character add. Then we are using collect method to collect all the correct characters in our list. Let's jump into coding with an example. So let's solve our question. We'll take our string and we'll call our stream API. Then we need to call our map function. Calling map function, we will get the character at position 0, and then we are going to collect in the collector.toList, and we will be printing this. We will be storing this value character. If you have watched my earlier video, we know that we always write our code efficient. So instead of writing this thing, we will simply be writing this s out printing wow. See, very simple. But if you have to do this via if else for loop, then you waste so many lines of code. And with Java 8, you see how efficient we are writing our code. Now in our second approach, what we need to do is same thing, stream API, call our map. In map we need to call our what? Substring. Then we need to call our toList. Simple, but there is a catch in here. We cannot store this value in a character because substring will not give us a character. So we need to use string. See, our output exactly the same with both the approaches. That's what problem solving is basically. So it's not about you're writing a code, it's about how if you're solving a particular problem, you need to identify that in how many ways I am going to solve the similar problem. There is not much difference in these two, it's more over like a personal choice, but this gives your brain a thinking power that I can solve the similar problem in a different manner. And in big companies, and if your interviewer is really good person, he will test your ability, how good you are at problem solving. And if you learn this skill, no one is going to replace you or no one is going to stop you. Until then, bye bye.